Mr. 300C in the building, in the place to be with my versatile freestyle. Y'all know Blackberry molasses slow with the flow. Y'all know y'all got to go to the rodeo to see the show, to ride the bulls, to ride the that old school rap flow, man. Yo, what's good, y'all? What is good? Giving y'all a quick little update with the 300C SRT design 5.7 liter HEMI. So here's the deal. The car is at the dealership, man. The dealership's getting a teardown. That's costing me $725. That's just to figure out what the problem is. Now, I already talked to them about the worst case scenario. Worst case scenario is I need a new motor, and I got the pricing for that. So for a brand new engine, you're talking about $5,300. Labor, $2,200. Accessory parts and pieces, about $800. I'll just say $1,000. Add taxes on top of that. So you're talking about anywhere from like $7,000 to $8,000 to repair this car with a brand new motor, all that. Now I can go the used route and get a used motor for about $3,700, so I'll save about, $1,000 and change. But that's just gonna put me down to, low sevens, upper sixes to get it all swapped out. That used motor has 90,000 miles on it. Even the new motor, both motors are the same year, 2007. So I'm still worried about them having that design flaw with the valve seat issue. Free ego heads, man. On top of that, wifey and I are butting heads because she wants me to replace it at all costs, and I don't want to put that much money into the 300 right now. You guys know I'm trying to get that wide body scat this summer, and forking out that much money on a used car that I'm planning on trading in, it's just not worth it, man. I wanted to just trade the car in because it's already paid off. Take whatever money I got from it and buy a hoopty joint, a reliable one like a Toyota Camry or Honda. Just something that's just reliable because I work from home. I don't really go anywhere, so I just need something to hold me over. But wifey's like,
I don't want to get an old reliable car because you got to put money into it to fix that again, and there's going to be issues, and we're taking a chance.
If we just pay for everything up now, we know what's wrong with it, we'll fix it, and we don't have to worry about it. And I'm just like, I see what you're saying, but I'm like, I could have avoided this the whole time. But anytime you get a used car, it's a risk, right? This car, I knew it was a risk getting into it, but that's the chance I took. Can't predict the future. You just got to roll with the punches when they come. You dig? That's the update with your boy. Waiting for the news from the dealership to figure out the final diagnosis of this repair. But it's not looking too good. I hope it's just like a cylinder head I can just, fix, and there's no metal shavings in the engine or anything like that. Then, that'll keep the cost a lot lower than replacing the whole motor. But I'm always expecting the worst. That's just how I am when it comes to car stuff. So, if you guys got any questions, comments, concerns, drop it down below. Thank you for subscribing, liking my videos, sharing it, all that fun stuff. You guys are on my journey with me. So we're going to keep it moving, keep it popping, and we'll see what happens in the end of 2020/2021. Happy New Year. Be safe. Don't do anything crazy. Watch out. COVID! Sorry, didn't want to scare anybody. But yeah, that's it, guys. I'll talk to y'all later on the next one. Peace.